1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, square. Square. Come on, let's say it. Come on, let's move it. Let's rhyme, let's groove it. Let's play for square.
Hi, my name is Pay, and I have a poem for you. It's called Mr. Martin Snores by Jeff Sweeney. Poor Mr. Martin, he snores, he snores. He rattles the windows and shakes the doors. He shakes the pictures till they fall down. You can hear him snoring all over town. Hi, Joshua.
Hi, Pay.
Can you remember that poem?
I think so.
Let's see. Poor Mr. Martin, he snores, he snores. He rattles the windows and shakes the
doors.
He shakes the pictures till they fall
down.
You can hear him snoring all over
town.
Good remembering.
Thank you. Now, can you remember that poem? Yeah. Let's see and watch for the hints. Poor Mr. Martin, he snores, he snores. He rattles the windows and shakes the doors. He shakes the pictures till they fall down. You can hear him snoring all over town. Good remembering.
Joshua, what does Mr. Martin sound like when he's snoring? I don't know if that's loud enough to rattle. Wake up, wake up! I think we should do that poem with our friends.
Yeah!
See if you can say it with us. Ready?
Poor Mr. Martin, he snores, he snores. He rattles the windows and shakes the doors. He shakes the pictures till they fall down. You can hear him snoring all over town.
Now you know poem.
Yeah, now you know poem too. Yeah!
What do you love about it? Oh, I love to use the scissors. Hey!
Hey!
Hey, B team, let's do our thing.
Yeah!
Ticka, 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 tee, tee, ta. I've got a rhythm, gonna share it with ya. Ticka, 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 tee, tee, ta. I've got a rhythm, gonna share it with ya. Hi, we just came back from art class, and we made lots of great art with scissors. Snip, 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 snip. Snip, 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 snip.
I love to use my paintbrush. Whoosh, dab, dab.
Nice.
Whoosh, dab, dab. I worked with the modeling clay. Squish, stretch. Squish, stretch.
I like the stamper. Stamp, stamp,
Oh,
stamp,
yeah.
stamp, stamp, stamp,
That's so
stamp,
cool.
stamp. Hey, you can join our art class. We'll show you what to do.
Yeah! I'll go first. Snip, 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 snip. Snip, 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 snip. Try using the scissors with me, and you try it too. Snip, 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 snip. 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 Snappy snipping.
Whoosh, dab, dab. Whoosh, dab, dab. Let's use our paintbrushes, and you too. Whoosh, dab, dab. Whoosh, dab, dab. Whoosh, dab, dab. Whoosh, dab, dab. Nice painting. Squish, stretch. Squish, stretch. Try using the modeling clay, and you try it too. Squish, stretch. Squish, stretch. Squish, stretch. Squish, stretch. Mmm, squishy good.
Stamp, 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 stamp. Let's try the stamper. And you too.
Stamp, 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 stamp.
That was great. Hey, B team, let's pretend we're at art class.
Yeah!
I love to paint.
Let's use the scissors too.
So watch this. Stamp, 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 stamp.
Snip, 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 snip. 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 Snip, 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 snip.
Nice! Let's switch places. Stamp, 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 stamp,
Squish,
stamp,
stretch,
stamp,
squish, stretch,
squish,
stab, stab,
stamp,
squish,
stamp,
stretch.
Cool! Switch!
Yeah!
Stamp, 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 stamp,
Snip,
stamp,
snip, snip,
stamp,
snip.
stamp,
Snip,
stamp,
snip,
stamp,
snip,
stamp,
snip,
stamp,
snip, snip,
stamp,
snip,
stamp,
snip, snip,
Dab, dab. Swish, dab, dab.
Awesome!
Let's switch again.
Yeah!
Stamp, 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 stamp,
snip,
stamp,
snip,
stamp, stamp, stamp,
snip,
stamp,
snip,
stamp, stamp,
Square,
stamp, stamp,
snip,
stamp, stamp,
Square,
stamp,
snip,
stamp, stamp,
Square,
stamp,
snip,
stamp, stamp,
Square,
stamp,
snip,
stamp, stamp.
Wow!
Ta-da! For you!
High four!
And high four to you too.
High four!
Hi everyone, we're the Four Tones and these are the Doo-Wahs. Hello Doo-Wahs.
Hello, Four Tones.
Hey, did I see something funny today? I saw an elephant waiting at a bus stop.
Really?
Well, are you sure? At least I thought I did. It would make a great song.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why don't you join us? Just remember, do what the Doo-Wahs do.
Do what we do.
The first part goes, Eloise the elephant wants to see the nation. Now you try it.
Eloise the elephant wants to see the nation.
Great. The next part goes, packs her trunk and off she goes on a big vacation.
Packs her trunk and off she goes on a big vacation.
That was very good. Now let's sing the whole song. I'll show you when to sing, and remember, do what the Doo-Wahs do.
Do what we do.
Down at the station, she gets on the bus. But the bus driver, he kicks up a fuss. The tires go pop, the bus has to stop. An elephant's too big for a bus ride.
Eloise the elephant wants to see the nation. Packs her trunk and off she goes on a big vacation.
Down at the airport, she climbs on the plane. It isn't too long, she's in trouble again. Propellers spin round, they can't leave the ground. An elephant's too big for a plane ride.
Eloise the elephant wants to see the nation. Packs her trunk and off she goes on a big vacation.
Down at the river, she hops on a boat. But oh no, it can't stay afloat. Before you can blink, the ship starts to sink. An elephant's too big for a boat ride.
Eloise the elephant wants to see the nation. Packs her trunk and off she goes on a big vacation.
Oh, well-shrugged Eloise, travel's not for me. I think I'll stay home and have peanuts and tea.
Eloise the elephant wants to see the nation. Packs her trunk and off she goes on a big vacation. On a big vacation. On a big vacation.
Now, where did that elephant go? Oh, my friends, are you here?
Olay!
Oh, my friends, are you there?
Hep, hey!
Oh, my friends, are you ready?
To move and groove and hep, hep, heppity hop, heppity, heppity, heppity hop, hep me ho, 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 way oh, ho, ho, hep me ho, ho, way oh, way oh, hep me ho, ho, way oh, ho, hep me ho, ho, way oh.
Attention! Roll call. Matito?
Matito.
Pippa?
Pippa.
Rufus?
Rufus.
And I'm Captain Huppet.
Huppet.
And who are you? It's nice to meet you. Can you salute like this? Good. Would you like to fall? Okay, we will show you. Matito, fall like a feather. Hup! Pippa, fall like a feather. Hup! Rufus, fall like a feather. Hup! Now you try. Fall like a feather. Hup! Good! Now, Matito, fall like a ball. Hup! Pippa, fall like a ball. Hup! Rufus, fall like a ball. Hup! Now you try. Fall like a ball. Hup! Very good. Matito, fall like a stick. Hup! Pippa, fall like a stick. Hup! Rufus, fall like a stick. Hup! How about you? Fall like a stick. Hup! Super good! Now, all together. Everybody ready? Fall like a feather. Hup! Fall like a ball. Hup! Fall like a stick. Hup! Nice falling. One more time. Fall like a feather. Hup! Fall like a ball. Hup! Fall like a stick. Hup! Super good! Now you can fall like a feather, stick, or ball.
Heppity, heppity, heppity hop, hoop la hoop la hoop hoop. Heppity, heppity, heppity hop, hoop la hep me ho. Heppity, heppity, heppity hop, hoop la hoop la hoop
Happity, happity, happity hop. Hoopla, happy ho. Hoopla, happy ho. Hoopla, happy ho.
Ba-da-da, ba-da-da.